The IKEA Markus. What else to say if not the best-selling office chair from IKEA? At an affordable price, it's long been the most sought-after office chair, especially during discount season. With its rolling wheels, adjustable height, 5 choosable fixed angles for the back, and a spring-loaded feature, it's got just about anything. And if you're wondering about its comfort, just look at this guy having a fun time. He's actually the one that made me buy it. But is the IKEA Markus all sunshine and roses? No, because of the armrests. The stock ones are easy to assemble, easy to produce, I assume, because they're perfectly symmetrical, and all in all very sturdy, but with a rubberized feel that I'm not a huge fan of. And most importantly, they're completely incompatible with my setup, because they're always bumping into some place of my desk. So I looked up replacements and 3D prints online, and of course, those were too big for my little A1 Mini. I also asked a friend to print them on his old Ender 3, but I couldn't wait. I just had to think of a design that I could prototype in one day. So this thing came out. I tried to keep the design sleek, mainly because I'm cheap on filament, and made 2 parts that can fit in an 18 by 18 plate. In turn, this made the stands a teeny tiny more adjustable, because you can optionally swap out the heads for some new and different ones, while keeping the attachments bolted to the frame of the chair. I'm leaving the FreeCAD file out for download, so you can tweak out the parameters to your liking. Mine go with a height of 23 centimeters, and the section of the head is 10 by 3.5. And here they are. I would say that they're sturdy enough, and finally allow me to get as close to the rim of the desk as I want. Typing feels really comfortable, and now I can use my awesome hidden keyboard. The chair controls are still really accessible, and also new ways of sitting are now allowed, like crossing legs, which was simply not possible before.